part are we now?
What part? Same part we've been on for a while. Coming up the south side with cedar siding. I think it looked nice. I think it looked pretty.
The thing is, we drive here from, you know, like for 40-50 minutes just to do some work.
Put up a couple boards. It's fun.
It's fun.
I like it. Gives us something to do on the farm.
And by the time we move here, it's all set up. It's actually set up already. We have the orchard.
Yeah, we're already gonna start having fun.
And we have the chicken coop. So this is the plastic that to protect more the what wood again?
Wood. It's just regular pine. And
Regular.
the inside, right?
The inside is regular pine,
This has got
and
cedar,
outside is cedar.
top rail, cedar siding, cedar post. But it's built out of 2x10s pine, and I don't want it to rot right away. You know, so
Yeah.
I'm coming up with some heavy duty plastic on the inside and extend the life of it and cover up the outside of cedar.
What's up for today? The inside is done. Wow, just beautiful here. And this side too, a little pieces, patches here and there. My baby is just so good. And one last here. Then maybe we'll cover after this walling, baby. It's gonna be the wire wrap around. Oh, wood on the doorway. So yeah, we've been back and forth here, working maybe a couple hours, spending on gas. We love to spend on gas because it's cheap right now. So yeah, it's almost done. We are down to the last part of putting the, what you call this, baby, again? What
I
wood?
call it cedar siding.
Cedar siding. I always forget.
That's what I'm using it for, cedar siding.
Cedar siding. So we're down to the last part of this cedar siding. But we'll still have to put the door, right, baby? And cage me in. Mark said he's gonna cage me in. But yeah, we have to wrap this with, cover this with wire, like a chicken wire, we call it in the Philippines. But yeah, but next it's gonna be the door, and this one will be filled up with stones. This one will be filled up with just some dirt as a base, and the top with compost. And there you go. And Mark also put some hooks here, so I can hang either flowers or I can hang strawberries. Yeah, I just did some with spraying here because we wanna kind of open this up And we learned there's what you call it, poison hemlock. This is the poison hemlock that they said is really bad for you. So we killed it. We have a lot. This is like very invasive. So I read it and I just learned it causes like rashes, really bad, like shortness of breath. So we have no choice. I'm sorry, bees. I know these are like butterfly loves this part here. There's like wild roses here, but we'll have to replace it with a regular like wildflowers, because the kids will be playing around here, so we just want to be safe. So we are replacing them with like wildflowers. We'll have to like maybe till if we need to, and throw some new seeds there. Just this part where we're gonna hang out most of the time, because this is like our backyard now. So yeah. And here are the giant grasses, the tall grasses. They're really doing good. And we put this like a kind of privacy fence, whatever it is, but just like landscaping too. So yeah, they're doing good. And excuse me for the mess. This is the compost. Our compost bin.
Composting.
Yeah, it's composting. Look, that's a lot of food there. Leftovers and yeah, leaves, cardboards. So here's Maria. Wow! All messy. So yeah, that's it for today. Oh, did you need some more boards?
Now we'll do some
Yeah, we're gonna do some stuff here. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. There you go. Here comes the latch. Finishing this up. Not yet.
Getting closer.
Getting closer this
Keep
side.
saying that, but really we are. Make it easier when I wrap that wire. So I put this piece in to fill into the front here, so I wrap here.